What's the meaning of Burundian? Burundian. Burundian.
Burundian. Burundian. The term Burundian refers to someone or something that is from or related to the African country of Burundi. Located in the Great Lakes region of Africa, Burundi is known for its diverse wildlife and beautiful countryside. The people of Burundi are ethnically diverse and speak both French and Kirundi. Despite ongoing political and social issues, Burundi has a rich cultural heritage and is home to many traditional art forms such as drumming, dancing, and basket weaving. Overall, being Burundian means being part of a unique and resilient culture with a deep connection to its land and history.